Mrs. Ibosing. Meron siyang ano dito. Pwesto ng fireworks. I think ano sila sa church din. Yan, church nila. Norwalk Christian. Ayan. Bibili siya doon ng safe na ano, fireworks. Mami! 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 Mami!
We did the party yesterday.
Pabili ng ano.
But I think they're saying like it's gonna be too hard.
Yung mga
And I was like, yeah, I was like telling myself, do you think it's more expensive when you do part-time than overnight?
ayan, may ano, may pipili na. Dito kami sa Norwalk, bandang Norwalk.
They cannot like it's like the Philippines after you graduate finish your course, so you could take it but in other values.
I think I saw that too. Like that's a work experience before you take the certification.
The course. But they do hard. I think that's it.
Before. Norwalk area. Fireworks.
Just what happens in that procedure
Abby, you wanna picture each thing? Picture of each crocodile.
a review on your blog for our stand.
Dito ako naka-live ba? Okay, nandito tayo.
Ano ba yan? Daming...
Anong binili mo?
Yan.
Oh, ano yung ano niyan? How safe is this one?
It's safe and sane.
Safe and safe, ha?
So how
Oh, yung binili ni Bossing.
they're not
All the
hiring,
time. We're hiring because we have a lot of travelers all the
but
time.
there's no more training again.
No more training. No, we're not gonna train for a while.
So
Because
how
we had
many,
like three groups already. We're not gonna train for a while.
so but what I'm saying is
Yung,
you really train like 9
ito yung
months?
binili niya pang bata.
6 months, I think.
Kasi
6 months
ako
wala kang
never ako
patient?
mahilig
No,
sa
we have patient. Like on the floor.
sa
Start
Paputok.
with
Top
one,
seller.
Really?
Family
and then
favorite.
you do the different. They're already training me for relief charge.
So wala,
Magkano to, brother?
Which one?
This one.
That one's $89.99.
89? Oh,
20 pieces.
20 pieces. So, yun.
I'll think 100.
So, $89 to.
It's okay. You sure?
So, marami na to, no?
So there's 20 pieces in there.
Hmm.
And
Walang alak. Bawal.
so yeah.
alam mo yung anak ko,
Which one?
yung panganay, si Kiana, di ba nag-graduate?
So where's she
But,
working
but
at?
the problem is, you know, remember she graduated when there's a COVID, right? She
Yeah.
don't have much exposure to
Uh-huh.
the so now she works
So,
Shelly.
ito ay
So she has another job,
$89.
like a factory.
Okay.
89.
She likes it, but I said like, if you're gonna do that, you wanna make sure you kind of like, what do you call this one? You need to be at least have a, you know, like a good school, right?
Yeah.
Not a good school, a good hospital. Kasi yung kanyang inaano, sabi ko, yun ang mga outpatient like that, it doesn't
Need help?
last long.
Yeah.
You
I'm
okay?
not sure where it goes. So it's okay, I'll leave it.
Oh, that's for nighttime. Anyway. Actually, it's better because it's outpatient. They just walk in and do your thing.
I know,
And
but
it's
what I
just
mean
like-
is, it's okay if you
Class of
advise her,
2024.
but, you know, she went to the hospital.
What is
Yeah,
it?
so
What
fine.
hospital? Right.
It's Huntington.
Okay. Because Kathy does registry.
I know, she
So
said
I'll-
it's easy. I was
so
like
makes
talking to her, but when she did, but she said that because she's a traveler, they gave her like easy one. You know, and she was so easy.
Yeah.
She gave me
But it's the same thing. Once it's new, you learn how to do it a little bit, and then you get better.
But no, but the thing is, I was like telling her, okay, this is what you're gonna do. It's hard because she wants to go to Kaiser Clinic. I said, it's hard for you to go to Kaiser Clinic if you are from outside. So what you need to do is go for DM at Kaiser, just endure it.
Let's get in.
Anyway,
Tama.
and then if you really want money, there's a lot of things. You don't have a reliever that you don't have to have, or either go to discharge law.
Hi there. Morning. Would you like to see a flyer? Sure. Yeah, I think she's got some over here for you.
So like for, you know, like at least that's kind of extra, but if you really don't want to go on the floor while waiting for the physician to come, I was like, how is that? But she said, Mom, I don't want to not.
Okay, so
I
yun
said,
tayo.
like, you know, it's hard.
Yung ating, so this is $89.
Yes, please. Like for the ones that are seeing, there's two of them. There's TNT and there's Samsung. It's like they're comfortable. But most of them are so they're comfortable. Do we get the regular races? Roy, anything else, Roy?
No, I'm good.
Good?
Yeah.
Kami lang naman kasi the kids have like,
No, wala ako. Never ako nahilig dyan. No?
son is like
You're burning your
burning what?
money. Okay, let's go.
Vlogger?
Bye-bye. Nurse na, businessman pa. San ka pa?
Dapat nga daw business kasi hindi kayo yaman.
Ganyan ang Pinoy.
Sideline, sideline,
Yeah.
sideline.
Ay, yeah.
That's it. Babush. Yeah, bro, thank you.